Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin from the Gravity team here. If you're running an event that needs to collect payments, Gravity Forms and Stripe are the perfect solution. Gravity Forms makes it easy to collect registrations and gather attendee details, and with Stripe you can securely accept payments right on your form. Let's jump in and take a quick look at how to set everything up. I'll get started by heading to my WordPress dashboard and selecting New Form. From here I'm going to select the event registration form template and give it an appropriate title and description. I'll then be greeted with the form editor, where I can add new fields and modify or delete existing ones. I'm setting up an event page for a convention at my local library, and I'm going to update the age field and add more choices. I'll also add a paragraph text field that will let users list any accessibility needs or accommodations. And at the bottom of the form, I'll update the ticket types and prices, and also adjust the width of the number of tickets needed field. Below the total field, I'm going to add the Stripe field. To accept payments with this form, I'll need to configure the Stripe feed. I'll save everything, then head to this form's settings and select Stripe. If I click Add New, I can set up a feed that will send data from this form to Stripe. For my feed, I'm going to select Products and Services as the transaction type, then map my form fields with their corresponding Stripe fields. Next, I'll save everything and go back to the form editor. If I click on the Stripe field, I have the option to enable additional payment methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay. I can also configure Stripe Link, Stripe's accelerated checkout method. If you need help setting up additional payment methods or want to learn more about Stripe Link, check out our dedicated Stripe guide, linked below. Once I've set up my Stripe settings, I'll save my form and embed it on a new page. We hope this video helped. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.